now you can see, since it's daytime, it's 6:30 in the morning. Today is September 12th, so we started late, but my dad noticed that the flags were half staff, and I'm pretty sure it's because September 11th. You can see, here's the landscape of, I think we're still in Nevada, so you got this desert. There's some cows over there. Just recently passed this exit called Button Point. I wonder if they were trying to make it say butt on point. Oh no, there's all these construction cones, and now we're trapped behind, not that guy, but there's a tanker in front. Look at that sun in the background, shining through the clouds. There's the tanker. Yay, the cones are gone. Time to pass. Driving in there. Oh yeah. Yep, the big truck making a dust storm. Little houses. They're in the middle of nowhere. The sun's getting bright, blinding in the eyes. Whoa, truck, you're going over the line. Trail center, what is that? There are a bunch of trails out here. This isn't even California. What is that building over there? Lots of fancy houses on this hill. I missed it, sorry. Someone built a pentagon in their yard. What is that? More trains out there. We have this exit here. Death Star Valley. Because they couldn't put Death Star. What's with the dark clouds over there? It's almost like smoke, but I don't know if anything's burning. Alright, we're here. We're filling up with some dinos. Got some dino juice. Get some dino juice. Is it gonna go? Here we go. Let's go check. We're filling up with some dino juice. Let's see. Is it going? It's charging really slow right now. Come on, speed up. Okay, let's see. How far do we gotta go? Continue. The next one is there. -2. Oh, we barely even need to charge. Go to Burger King. Not the gas station.
Oh, damn.
They have a gas station there. We only need to charge for a few minutes. I don't know. Let's see. Let's go find out. There's a Burger King, and then they have a Dunkin' Donuts and travel store. So let's go in and see what they got. You can see the inner workings of the gas station pumps. That. Oh, focus on that. Alright, so we converted the back seats into a bed. I put a long body pillow underneath. Then we got this blanket folded up, and then this one on top I can use to sleep, or yeah, oh, so much static. And we moved a bunch of junk up here, and the water and other stuff back here. So now we got plenty of room. I also have another blanket just in case, and a moving blanket for extra. So here we go. Alright, so we're here at the Sinclairs, and you can see they have that welcome to Wells. There's my dad. Alright guys, later. Oh yeah, here you can see all the bug splatters. Okay. And yeah, I think we can start the drive. Alright, so here you can see our next stop. We already charged way more than enough, 72%, while we were moving stuff around. Next stop is here, and yeah, only 58 miles, so only 50 minutes away. Alright, we'll see you guys later. I don't know if these will stick, but we'll see. This was $6. If I get one from every state, it's gonna be like $300 total after tax, so we'll see. I got ripped off. I peeled the sticker. Look, it used to be $5. Alright, we got the first one. Let's stick it on. Hope it doesn't fly off. Is that salt for salting roads? What is that? Or is it just dirt? There's two types. There's a nice bridge up there. 2 loops. Where's that bridge going to? Oh, they even put like corrugated metal tubing. So apparently that bridge is for animals because there's no road there. And then they block the rest with like fence here. But they don't block this side with the fence, so they'll come over to this side and then they'll cross in and get hurt. I don't know. Here we have these rocky land formations. This is the last casino in Nevada before we leave, I think. There's the Nevada Welcome Center here, which is weird because we're leaving, so it should be the Utah Welcome Center. But I guess if you came from the other side, you can go this way too. So let's take a look. But they have supercharging. We don't really need to supercharge much, but maybe for less than 5 minutes. Okay, we're here. Peppermill Casino. We're gonna charge up. Man, these chargers are so gross. It's like people just throw them on the floor and run them over. Oh wait, this is only a... What? I thought it was a 250. There's only 150 charging. Well, that's good. We only need a little bit. And then we're gonna go to the Welcome Center. Okay, here you can see we got average 395, so we got better now. I was still driving really fast, so I don't know. Maybe it's because we were going uphill all the time on the other ones. Alright, and it says 10 minutes to continue, but that's not... I don't think we even really need 10 minutes to charge. It says we'll get to that charger at 3%, but... Yeah, oh yeah. Then we'll charge there. Because this one is 250, right? 250 kilowatt. Yeah, that one is. So we'll charge for like 10 minutes or so. And then we'll go to the Welcome Center and look inside. This one's only 150 kilowatt, but because we're already at 52%, it's not going to charge that fast. Oh, I forgot to show. The magnet's still there, so we should be good. The only thing is if I get a whole map, I'm not going to be able to have this here anymore. And it's not like I can put the magnets on the side. They really will fly away if I put them on the side, I'm sure. I mean, I'm sure they'll stick there, but I think the air is going to get underneath and it's going to blow them off. So I'm probably going to have to sacrifice this, sadly. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Maybe, I don't know how big they are. I don't think even this will fit at all. So we'll find out. Okay, I found out, well, no, it's still charging the same speed. I accidentally set it to 50% and then it charged enough just to continue to the next stop. Even though I set it to charge to 50% on accident, I was just messing around with it one time. And then I didn't realize it saved itself there. But anyways, we'll continue soon. I think once this shows 15, we should be good. So we'll charge up another 5%. Okay. Alright, we'll arrive with 15% now, so time to go. Let's go. Oh, 10:30 a.m. in case you're wondering. I don't know if the time zone changed, but anyways, the way you know it's the slower one is it has this fat cable, okay? So the fat cable is the old design. The newer ones, they're thinner, they're liquid cooled or something. So yeah. Anyways, let's go to the visitor center. There's the casino. I don't know where's the information center. There's another nugget thing. And we passed also a concert hall. Here's the state line, Nevada and Utah on the ground. So we're back in Nevada now. I had to turn around. I don't know where the information thing is. Another sign here, Nevada Welcome Center. But where? Do we keep going? Is it in one of these casinos or we keep going? Just said to go this way. There's the concert hall. Okay, I found it. West Wonder Welcome Center. State of Nevada. West Wonder.
West Wendover.
Wendover? Oh.
In 500 feet.
Okay, so we're here. You see there's Great Basin National Park. There it is, the national park. Okay, they have whatever this airplane thing is. I'll get closer and then I'll show you guys. They have this welcome tour of honor benefiting veterans and first responders, West Wendover. The truck over there in the distance. Don't step on the grass. And we got this airplane thingy. Okay. What's this? 509th Composite Group. First Atomic Bombardment, Wendover. Atomic bomb is too dangerous to be loose in a lawless world. Okay. Alright, let's go check out the information booth, see if there's anything. Okay, so here they have some maps and some information here, but I'm not going to go over that. And I got one of these. Okay, so they have the Salt Flats thing. Bonneville. Fastest motorcycle with too much glare. Too much glare. They have that, and then they wear like this suit. Bunch of this stuff.
Speed 376 miles per hour. 376.363. Bonneville, Utah.
And they have all this.
World record run.
They have all these for all the other places. Utah, Rocky Mountain, Yellowstone. So they have it for all different places, not just Utah. And some cactus there, be careful. Project Tesla Ball Lightning.
They have a fair here.
And more maps. Then they have movies from here. And even more. There's a lot. More of the Salt Flats vehicles. And some fish or birds. And more Salt Flats. And these are the fish.
All trouts.
All
15
trouts.
types, different type of trouts.
And here you can see this Peppermill Casino. Really big.